When I first heard about HeyGen, I'll be honest, I was very skeptical. Another AI avatar tool? We've all seen those, right? Stiff animations, weird lip sync, nothing special. But then I tried it, and my opinion changed. Most avatar generators I've tried have the same story, limited free versions that barely let you test the product. Avatars that look like mannequins from a horror movie, and to get anything remotely good, you pay a fortune. I expected HeyGen to be no different, but it surprised me. Let's start with the free plan. You get 3 videos per month at 720p, and yes, there's a watermark. You can't use your own voice, only the built-in text-to-speech. So for commercial projects, it's very limited, but for testing the tool's capabilities, it works. I decided to push it and see what it could do with minimal input. I chose a stock avatar, typed in a short script, hit generate, and the results? Honestly impressive. Smooth lip sync, natural blinking, and a voice that didn't sound like it came from a robot from the 90s.
Hello and welcome. I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know today. Whether you're looking for answers, inspiration, or practical advice, my goal is to make things clear, engaging, and easy to follow. Let's get started.
Now, here's where HeyGen really starts to shine. The paid plans. You unlock full HD 1080p exports, remove the watermark, and most importantly, you can upload your own audio. There's also the custom avatar feature. You upload a short video of yourself speaking, and HeyGen creates your digital twin. From then on, you can make videos without ever turning on your camera again. Perfect for consistent branding. Another highlight is Avatar 4. It can animate a still photo into a talking head video with surprisingly realistic lip movements. And for businesses, there's API access for automating video creation at scale, plus templates for training, marketing, and onboarding. Pros and cons. Let's break it down. The pros: highly realistic avatars with excellent lip sync, a huge variety of pre-made avatars and templates, multi-language support with natural sounding voices. Consistency: once you create your custom avatar, it looks and behaves the same every time. The cons: the free version is very restrictive. The price can be steep if you need high volumes of video. While the animations are good, they're still not 100% human-like. You'll notice it if you look closely. Who is it for? If you're a content creator, marketer, HR trainer, or business owner who needs professional videos without being on camera every time, HeyGen is a fantastic option. For casual use, the free plan might be enough to experiment, but if you want to integrate it into your workflow, you'll need a paid plan. Personally, I see it as a game changer for creating multilingual content quickly without hiring multiple presenters or booking studio time. So, from frustration to fascination, HeyGen managed to win me over. It's not perfect, but it's one of the most polished AI avatar tools I've used so far. If you're curious, try the free plan, and let me know in the comments what you'd use an AI avatar for.